So how you all doing guys today? My name is Maf. Back again with another video guys. But this is my first video because the next one I was not talking, I think it's a video uploaded like 1 year ago. So guys, first if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon guys. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I took this gold trade, which was almost over 160 pips, and it was very amazing guys, and you're still waiting for it to hit take profit. And also guys, today we have FOMC guys, so I don't want to be caught up by FOMC because it's wild guys, like it's very wild. So let me just do a quick breakdown on this gold trade. First, the first thing that I saw on the 1 hour guys, I use ICT concepts, combining it with some few basics break and retests guys. So the first thing that I saw was this fair value gap guys. I don't know if you can see it, but right here we have a fair value gap. That was the first reason that I that I bought this, that I saw that this thing was going to buy fair value gap. That was the first reason. That is one of the main reasons why I thought, or I knew that this thing was going to buy. Second thing was we also have this order block, guys. These are consecutive down close candles. That is an order block, ICT order block. That was my second confirmation for these buys. Let's write. So that was my that was my second confirmation for this trade. And also now the third reason why I entered this trade is if we if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, we also have a break and retest of a trend line. You also have another confirmation, which is RSI divergence, guys. So the break and retest of a trend line is let me draw this. So guys, these for you to look, or for you to see a break and retest, you must have 2 points, 2 or 3 points. So this was my 2 points for this trade. And when I saw this was a potential buy, after having the three confirmations, I waited for it for the fourth, or rather the fifth confirmation for it to buy. So guys, I took my trade at this point, and right now we're waiting for it to hit negative 27, which is our overall take profit too guys. This blue line is our take profit, and that's why we're waiting for it to hit. We are like 20 pips away from it guys, and yeah. So also for RSI divergence guys, as you can see here we have a low, but this RSI divergence does not create this lower low. uh, this the gold trade, the gold chart does not create this lower low, where else the RSI creates this lower low, and this is a lower low, and so the RSI does not create it. So that means that there's RSI divergence at that point. Let me write that. RSI divergence. So that was one of the main reasons I took this trade, and I'm still holding. But also for FOMC, what I'm anticipating is for this fib level, which is negative 61.8, I'm expecting this 1960.32 level to be hit. So I'll update you guys if we hit that by the end of tomorrow, which is on Thursday. Yeah guys, and also we have this high. I'm expecting this buy side liquidity to be taken out. Going to explain in another video why I'm expecting it. This is buy side liquidity. buy side liquidity, you expect it to be taken out. Yeah, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, guys, please don't be afraid to ask. Answer them in the Ask them in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to help, guys. So let's wait to see if price is going to hit this negative 27, guys, because it seems that price is starting to get aggressive. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's your boy Smurf. Till we meet again, guys. Toodles.